Are you looking for a sleek and functional desk to enhance your workspace? Look no further than the Martin Furniture Desk in white. Enhance your workspace with this sophisticated desk. This stylish desk offers ample storage, wire management, and a power center. It features 2 drop front keyboard/pencil drawers, for utility drawers with dividers, and 2 locking letter/legal file drawers, providing ample storage space for all your office essentials. With 2 wire management grommets and a power center containing 2 AC power outlets and 3 USB 2.0 connections, this desk ensures a tidy and organized workspace. Plus, with an item weight of 210 pounds, you can trust that this desk is sturdy and durable. Say hello to productivity with the Martin Furniture Desk in white. Final recommendation. We highly recommend this sophisticated desk. If you're in need of a high-quality desk that combines both style and functionality, the Martin Furniture Desk in white is an excellent choice. Its sleek design, ample storage space, and convenient features make it a valuable addition to any home or office. So go ahead and invest in this desk to create the perfect workspace that suits your needs and enhances your productivity.